Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fablades in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today, look at this, I got that Gauss Studio rifle here with me for a quick maintenance video. But hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. Let's go ahead and check this guy out. You're gonna need a Torx bit T6 to take this guy apart. You only have two screws right over here on this side. Just take one out like this. Oops, almost like this. Just place it there. Take out the other one like that, and carefully just place it right over here. Then look at this, just slide this thing, gently open it up, and you're gonna find that there's like four magnets, like four spherical magnets. You can just proceed to just remove these guys, and we're gonna clean it up. To clean it up, I'm gonna use one of these alcohol swabs right over here. You can, I think, find these at the pharmacy. They're not like hard to find. You take this guy and just like clean all these tracks, the holes, all the surfaces, so it's nice and clean. Here you go. So that is one. And on the inside, clean the magnets so there is no residue left. Clean over here. Here you go. And then also like this side. And right over there. And next, you just put it together. It's pretty simple. So just do two balls on a side, and just, you see, it matches like that. Hold it together, and just put the other two right over here. And then just, boom, pinch it together. Hold it like so. And here the screws are going back to their place. So just put one in, and that's that. I'm not gonna use any Loctite, but if you need, you can just use the blue one. Don't use the red one. Here you go. So this is nice and tight. And how are we doing here? Yeah, nice. Nice and clicky. Ha, really cool sound. And yeah, pretty pleasant to squeeze in the hand. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.